Time to get these hunt wheels back onto the roadie. I've just topped up the tubeless sealant. It's a set of wheels that has a more tubeless, or not a tubeless, a more gravel specific tyre. And it's quite a windy day, so I want to go a spin on the back roads and maybe explore a bit, find some gravel paths or whatever. Anyway, enough chatting. Time to get these wheels in, recenter the calipers for those wheels because they're slightly different fit. True to form, as soon as I get the bike sorted out, get myself kitted up, it clouds over and it's already trying to rain. Plus, I don't think road shoes and road pedals really work with the gravel wheels, gravel tyres and the wee path that I want to ride today. To the headland here. It's, well, the wee ridge that I sort of got in here. The headland, the whole, hopefully that means a tailwind home. On the outskirts of Ridge Hill, County Armagh, heading in a rough direction of Hammy Bawn via the wee back roads. Trying to keep it as traffic free as possible today. Can't remember whether it's left or right. Maybe stop and consult the phone. Hey doggies, hello. Hey, how you going? Yeah, Jim. There's a big walk. Yeah. Yeah, the big walkie. They're enjoying that.
Nice to get out, isn't it?
Yeah. I said earlier I'd put the hunt wheels back in with a gravel tyre. Yeah, it's not really a gravel tyre. It is classed as one, but it's only 32mm wide and it's slick. It's Hutchinson Fusion, I believe. Good dress rate for a sports car. I actually need to let some air out. I blew them up really hard to pop the bead of the tyre into the rim, get it to seat properly. And before I set off, like a dork, I forgot to let her out and get it down to a suitable riding pressure. Almost in Hamilton's Bawn. Now, who told me to eat and drink? I'm very bad at doing that. I'm very bad at doing it on the bike. I'm too good at doing it when I'm off the bike. Anyone else relate to that? There's Cowboy church. Larry's lake that I fish at is just down the hill here. I'll be stopping where I used to water the flowers. A couple of boys fishing anyway.
A few moments later.
And this is why I put the gravel tyres on. There's a wee river that I used to fish as a youngster. Well, not a youngster, not in early teenage years. Something like that. The river here on the left. This is the Folly Glen, there's a squirrel. Picked up a passenger. Right, this is a new path. This was just a dirt single track through fields when I lived in this area. Now it's like a proper greenway. Time for a Scooby Snack. Other Scooby Snacks are available. That housing estate on the right is where I used to live. One of the many places I used to live. And now I'm going to just head for home again. Just wanted to explore our wee path today. Once we get over this brow of the hill, you might get a glimpse of Florries left. I will, but whether the GoPro will. I love the sound of the tyres when you've got a bit of speed up. Out to Owen and Cedric at SE Components just here on the left. I used to work here.